Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we'll show you how to remove and replace rear bumper on Ford Focus MK3. We're demonstrating on this 2012 model hatchback. It might be very close for the sedan. I think it's almost the same. But we'll show you how to do that now. Stay with us. Don't forget to check out World Mechanics, our main channel guys. It's growing crazy fast and thank you for the support. Okay guys, so if you go towards the bottom side of the bumper right there. Okay, trying to get a really good light guys so you can see. Okay, there is actually a bolt, okay, right there with a T30 that we need to remove screw. Let us show you what it looks like. That's what it is. Okay, again you can see towards the back of the car right there, and we have one on the other side which is identical to this one. So we need to go on the passenger side, right side, and remove the same screw there as well. And once we do that, you can see ours is popped open here. Okay, we need a 7mm right there. And there is a bolt that we need to remove. Okay, again screw right there, and one on the left side as well, identical to this one. So far pretty easy guys. It shouldn't probably take you more than 5-10 minutes to do it yourself. And now we need to go underneath the vehicle. There is a couple clips that will need to be removed, and we'll show you exactly where those are. Okay guys, so one of the clips, okay, it's located right there, right next to the exhaust, and you need to pull the centerpiece out. And once you pull the centerpiece out of there, you will be able okay, to remove the whole clip. Those tend to get stuck really bad because of mud, water, anything you can think of goes there. So they will be stuck pretty good. Okay, and that's what it looks like once you remove it. And we have one more, just like that one, on this side, on the left side of the vehicle, which is located right there. So we need to mess with this one, and they tend to break, but you can get replacements pretty inexpensive if they do break. Okay, this one will come out soon. Stuck pretty good, but it's almost there. Okay, centerpiece came out, now the rest of it will do. Alright guys, the next thing what we need to do, some people don't do that, but we're going to go ahead. In order to remove the bumper, you will need to remove the tail light because it's stuck under the tail light there, and if you pull too hard you'll be able to get it out, but you might break the bracket for the bumper. So we're going to go ahead and remove it now quick. Okay, those twisty things that you remove the cap, and there is a twisty thing that you need to remove, and there is one more that's hidden, but it's super simple. Okay, one on top right there, and once we remove that, okay, let me show you now what you need to do. You need to pull right here towards this end because there is a clip, and that's okay, you can see that's the tail light. And we're just going to put it there. We're not going to even disconnect the cables, and that's where the bumper goes that I told you. If you pull hard, you get it out, but better not risk it and buy another bracket for like 30-40 bucks. So we're going to go ahead and remove the one on the left as well, which is the same way like the other one. Just the top one is a little bit inconvenient. It's a little bit hidden, and it's really hard to get to, especially if it's super tight. But once you get that loose, they usually go pretty easy by hand. And next thing, this one hasn't been removed, so we'll need to take care of that one. Okay, like that, and we'll put it towards the inside as well. Now you can see somebody that tried to push there, it cracked. Okay, if you help it like that there a little bit, especially with a screwdriver or a prying tool, you can help that one, okay, like that, so the bumper will come out easy. Otherwise you will break that mount there. And the bumper is loose on this side. You need to have a person holding it, and we need to do the same thing to this one as well. You can see we're just going to help it a little bit. Okay, like that. And why to risk a mount when you can remove the tail lights in less than a minute? And one of them still holding right here. A little bit there. And the whole bumper should come out of there now, which should be pretty easy. Nothing is holding it. And that's the bumper cover there. Right now, guys, we got it out. Okay guys, that's the whole procedure. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.